Aussie dollar is starting off here with trending at highs propped up by hawkish RBA, and looking at the chart, we've already had big move yesterday, late yesterday, and we're consolidating that in a range, I suppose, what's that, 79.10 to 79.40.50 at the moment. On to euro dollar, almost tested 116 as it rocketed higher, correcting lower on dollar and eyes on ECB. Any views on the euro at the moment, Ed?
Yeah, well, today's the day to chew the cud, really. We've had a lot going on the last few days, healthcare, obviously the Aussie move and hawkishness, or apparent hawkishness from, well, that's how the market's perceiving it, going back to FOMC last week and Trump's, junior scares, etc. So we've had that. That's a bit of a backlog, but now we've got a series of events. Most importantly, the ECB, market's focusing on Thursday. And the RBA and UK retail sales. So there's a lot out there coming up, but not specifically today. So the market's going to be digesting, and it's a range trade day, essentially. You might get some spiking going left, right, and centre, but essentially going into tomorrow, the market's likely to go sideways.
All right, but euro dollar still remaining above the 115 handle. On to dollar yen, which seems to be currently finding some support around the 112 area. I believe that's the area of the 200-day moving average. Just around 112 at the moment. Are you trading that, Ed?
Dollar yen?
Yeah.
I'm looking to buy it. I'll probably catch it a bit later, but dollar yen typically sells off into BOJ, then goes sideways for a couple of days and then recovers. So essentially what I'm looking. Dollar yen is a 108, 114 and a half range, and it's right smack in the middle. So you want to look for a bigger sell-off to buy, or a stronger rally if you like to sell. It's a fade, basically. It's being driven by the 10-year.
Okay, and then on to the last headline of the day, pound dollar, which had the sell-off actually ahead of yesterday's CPI data. Somebody obviously guessed that it would be a weaker number.
Zach, have a look at it. It happens every time. Someone's leaking that for sure. But anyway, that's beside the point.
It wasn't me.
Well, it wasn't me either. So who
I guessed it correctly, so I didn't need to leak it. So so basically, they're 130 the floor at the moment. Is that would you agree with that?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's a buy into a short-term punt on the upside into ECB, and it's going to try on the upside, but it's not going to gain any real momentum until these events are clear.